Ah! Hey everybody, it's Silly Hop, and I'm back with another video in a brand new recording space that I just had put together, kind of. And so today we are going to be doing Getting Adopted in Animal Jam in the Pillow Room. So I actually have a look for this. I'm pretty sure, yep, I have a look for this because I used to get adopted a lot. It was just really fun. So we're going to see what happens today. So I have my baby bunny, of course, the essentials. It's a bonnet and hearts as the pattern, and a floofy dress because it's just really cute. Okay, so let's go get adopted. Scrolling down. New jammer. Is that holding a lollipop? Okay, so just go into the pill room, and I don't know if it'll happen in here. Let's see. So you just sleep, and then you see plus adopt me is baby. Plus adopt is baby. And then you just say that for a while and wait for someone to adopt you. Please adopt me is baby. And there's an evil hyena right there. So then you just keep saying it and you sleep on a pillow and just be cute. I'm a teeth. I need a home. A teeth. Wow. Must be hard being a teeth. Please adopt. I'm so lonely. I'm all by myself in this pillow room. Please. No, nobody. Say it one more time, and then if no one does, I'm moving to another pillow room. I think this is it, guys. Okay, let's go to Alden. Let's see if Alden is... Alden. Where's Alden? Oh, there it is. Okay, we're in Alden now. And let's just go to the pillow room of Alden. And this is the most people are in the server, so hopefully it'll work. Go to Alden's pillow room, and there's probably going to be a million people. There's quite a few people, so let's just go and lay down and be cute. Is baby, please adopt. Is baby, please adopt. Oh, please. Please, I'm so cute. Why would you not want to adopt me? Come on. Come on. I'm so cute. Come on. Come on. You adopt me. You adopt me. You adopt me. Anybody, please. Please adopt is baby. Do people not get the message? Is baby. Left alone. Needs a human. Jeff, what are you doing? Jeff, are you gonna adopt me? Jeff. Hello, my name is Jeff. Nope, Jeff just wanted to trade. No, Jeff. No, it's mine, Jeff. Mine. Now, are you gonna adopt me or are you just gonna trade? Jeff, please. Please adopt me. I'm just a baby. Is baby, please adopt. Nope, Jeff's just gonna keep trading. I'm sorry, Jeff, no. No, Jeff. No, Jeff, I'm a baby. Babies do not want to trade when they're trying to get adopted, people. He tells me everything about it. I know, I'm sorry. What's happening in here? Ignores. Ooh, sassy. Unwanted bears on trade. I don't care. I just want to be adopted. I'm a baby. Please adopt. Get the message. You adopt me. You adopt me. You adopt me. This one's gotta adopt me. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. I'll adopt you, babe. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, I'm getting adopted. I'm getting adopted. Ah! Okay, we're gonna go to their den. Oh my gosh, so many plushies. Now I'm just gonna sleep on the floor. Because that's what I do. I sleep on the floor. Okay, let's just go in. It's so scared. Plushies. Sorry for the background noise. My sister and my dog. Let's like go in. Oh, is this a candy? It's taffy. Oh my gosh. I want the taffy and donuts and cake. Oh my gosh. I love this place. I love this place. This is my bed. Do I sleep here? Yep, I sleep here, I think. Sleep. Wow, where's the sleep? There it is. Okay, I'm so cute. I'm so cute. So cute. Ah, ignore the message. Ignore it. Ignore it. Ignore it. Ah! Okay. Where's there? Okay. We have to get intense here with some intense roller. And with some intense role playing. Sleeps cutely. Yep, this is what's working. If you're trying to be cute when you're being adopted, just say sleeps cutely. Yep, that works. Oh, I think this is my bed actually. Oh, they smiled because I'm so cute. It's probably because I'm the cutest. Yep. Okay, now do something. Do something. I'm gonna wake up. Wakes up. You have to announce everything you do. Because if you don't, then it's not true adoption. You get what I'm saying? You get it? You get it? Yep. Crawls out of bed. Out of bed. Because it won't let me say bed. Bed. Crawls out of bed and gets donuts. Crawls out of bed and gets donuts. Yes, this is me getting donuts. I don't even... I love donuts. I don't even know if, like... I wonder what they're thinking. I don't think I'm gonna tell them that this was a video. I'm just gonna post it and then laugh. Loves pink donut. You Loki. I'm Loki. Loki? You like. Okay, you like. I do like. I love the pink one. You see, I just said, and they said thank you. Okay, well, this is really boring. Okay, let's see. Yawns. So I'm tired. Because I'm a tired, cute child. So innocent, so sweet. So sweet. Now let's be sassy. Let's give this a twist. Okay. Makes a mess with taffy everywhere. Yep. No, I do not want to nap. I want to make a mess with your taffy. Yay! This, yes. Okay. Crawls out of house to mud. Please don't do that. Crawls out of house to mud. Splashes mud all over new dress. Yep, you have to be very naughty to be loved, guys. No. Yes. That's if you achieve the the sucked face.